Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk about the subscription options or premium feature available in OS Map. In this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So OS Map does offer subscription options and premium feature to enhance your mapping experiences. Here are some of the subscription tiers and premium features available. First of all, the OS Map Premium. Now, the subscription tier provides access to additional mapping layer, including aerial, imaginary, national park boundaries, and green space maps and all that. It also offers offline mapping capacities, allowing you to download map for use without an internet connections. And the OS Map Premium may include other features such as route planning tool, advanced route profile, and many detailed mapping as well. And OS Map also offers bundle of explorers and land rangers. Now, maps for offline use, these bundle allow you to download a specific number of map tiers for offline view on your mobile device. Explorer map provide detailed mapping for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, while Land Ranger maps covers broad area for general navigation as well. Some of the other premium route planning tools. Now, OS Map offers premium route planning tools and features such as advanced route editing, elevation profiles, and route optimizations. These tools can help you plan more complex route, analyze terrain difficulties, and optimize your outdoor activities as well. Now, subscription options and premium feature in OS Map provide additional functionality and convenience for users who require more advanced mapping capabilities or offline access to mapping data. You can also consider exploring these options to enhance your mapping experiences and make the most out of OS Map. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.